Your phone knows everything about you, your texts, bank info, and private convos. But what if someone else secretly has access too? Most people don't realize there are two major ways your phone can be hacked, through malware or sneaky call forwarding. Both can let hackers spy on your activity or even intercept your calls. The good news? You can check for signs of hacking using simple dial codes built right into your phone. Check for call forwarding. Dial *#21#. This code shows if your calls or texts are being forwarded somewhere else without your knowledge. If you see an unfamiliar number, that's a red flag. Hackers might be intercepting your calls. Stop all call forwarding. Dial *002#. This one turns off all call forwarding instantly. Think of it as hitting the reset button on your phone's call settings. See conditional call forwarding. Dial *#67# or *#004#. These codes show if your calls are being forwarded only when you're busy or miss a call. If the number doesn't look like your carrier's, disable it right away. Check your Android or iPhone testing menus. iPhone users can dial *3001#, 12345#, star for field test mode. While Android users can dial *4636# to view network data. Look for anything strange, like unknown networks or numbers. View network connection details on Samsung. Dial *19732864#. If you have a Samsung Galaxy device, this code opens a service menu where you can view network connection details like signal strength. Unusual activity here might signal a deeper security concern. Check call barring settings with *#33#. This code displays your current call barring status. If you are getting excessive spam or unwanted calls, enabling call barring can help prevent future threats. View your IMEI number with *#06#. Dialing this shows your phone's unique IMEI number. You'll need this 15-digit ID to report a lost or compromised device to your carrier, who can then block it from the network. Watch for signs of malware. Even if call forwarding looks fine, your phone might still be infected. If your phone's suddenly hot, battery drains fast, or strange apps appear, run a full antivirus scan immediately. Your phone is a vault of personal data. Don't just check for the breach. Fix it. Now that you know the signs, the next step is using trusted device protection. Norton helps safeguard against hackers with malware protection and AI-powered scam protection for up to 5 devices.